Okay, guys, now we have the last three questions. And in actual IELTS exam, when you reach here, you will have only a couple of minutes. And there will be the announcements. Don't forget to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. 3 minutes left and all that. So usually when you reach the last question type in actual exam, you are totally exhausted and mentally frustrated and you want to get rid of it all. Okay. Now again, whenever we have options A, B, C, D, students are always inclined to guessing. That okay, this one A. Second one is B. Why B? First one is A. And then third one, C. Why C? Because I did not use C before. So that's why it should be C. So never do anything like that. Listen, question type is matching. The bad news is whenever we have matching type of questions and the passage, they are not in order. But we have good news. And the good news is these options, as they have mentioned A, B, C, D, these options and the passage, they are in order. Now what to do? The first thing that you have to do, scan Tongti along in the passage. Tongti along. Underline that. Okay, one part is there. Now scan Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Third paragraph. Underline that as well. Okay. Then Deinonychus. Fourth paragraph. 1, 2, 3 and fourth. Deinonychus. And fifth also. 2 locations of Deinonychus. Okay. And then we have Ornithomimosaur. Ornithomimosaur. Where is it? All right. Oh yes, it's here. So these are the locations where you have to read and you will find the answer. Now one way is, can you see another thing? Questions are 3 and options are 4. What does it mean? It means one option is extra and it also means 2 options are extra. Sometimes with A there can be 2 questions, right? So this is more confusing. One way to do it is to go to Tongti along, option A, then option B, then option C. Read option A, come back, read the questions. Read option B, come back, read the questions, and if it matches, write it down. But you will not have that much time for this in the last part, only a couple of minutes. So what we are going to do, as we've been through the passage several times, we are very much familiar with the passage. We will do it through scanning. What are we going to do? We are going to scan the questions in the passage and then whatever the name is written there, that will be the right answer. Question number 38. Oh, okay. Question number 38. It may have used its feathers to frighten off members of same species. Now the dinosaur used its feathers to scare other dinosaurs. Look for the word scare, feathers, frighten, scare, feathers, frighten. Okay. It's the second page of your passage. Second page, first paragraph in the middle. These feathers were. Found it? Yes. Okay. These feathers were probably for display to attract mates or scare off rivals. Scare means afraid and rival means other members of species. And which one is that? Which type is that? No, Ornithomimosaurus. That is option D. So for question number 38, answer is D. Now we've done it through scanning. So this is quicker way, but otherwise you will have to read all the options. So if questions are less, options are more, then you can use this one. Question number 39. This species resembles a large flightless bird. Look at me, look at me. Tell me the name of one large flightless bird. Ostrich. Okay, so large flightless bird, they may use the word big hen, big chicken, big ostrich. Ostrich is one of the birds that cannot fly. Look for the word ostrich. That exists today. Alright, let's see if there is any ostrich here. Alright, it's the same paragraph and there is that word ostrich. Found it? Second page, first paragraph, where you found the word mates or scare off rivals. They appeared in species such as ostrich-like, and then the name is Ornithomimosaurus. Ostrich-like. So what is ostrich? A large, flightless bird. Okay? Yes, such creatures were too large to fly. That's right. Yeah. So answer is what? D. Now 2 questions we've done with D, and see, it's saving time. If you understand, it's saving time. Otherwise, you will take more time. Last question, 40. Finding this species made scientists revise their opinion of the brain power of dinosaur. Brain power means brain, intelligent, intelligence, IQ, and all that. Finding this species made scientists revise their opinion of the brain power of dinosaurs. Look for brain, intelligent. 1, 2, 3, 4th paragraph. Exactly. So let's read it. Some discoveries in the 1970s, like the agile and strangely bird-like Deinonychus, proved that dinosaurs were far more dynamic and intelligent than previously thought. Now, dynamism and intelligence is what? This is the brain power. Brain power. So question number 40, answer is C. Okay, so we did it through scanning. This is the easiest way to complete it all. Alright, now listen. Abhi to party. Yeah, so you got to, the first thing is repeat this test. When you go back home, there are several questions that you may have missed here. That okay, where is the answer? What is the answer? Why is this answer? Like he got confused on one question. That is why repeat this test with all 40 questions and then start with new tests from Cambridge IELTS books, and then gradually it will take time. Step by step, you'll become perfect. When my friend Yasin cooked for the first time at home, he was unable to bake the flatbreads. He didn't know how to make biryani, and now, mashallah, he is expert, right? And he did all that after getting married. Okay? Thank you. All right. Thank you.